Hey everybody, what is up? If you want to change your app drawer from horizontal to vertical on your Samsung phone and you are looking out how to do so, you may follow up these steps for that. So you can just go over and open up the app drawer, and once you tap or look out for your app drawer, you can look out for the three vertical dots located in the top right corner, usually at the top. Tap on it, and from there you can just go over and select the option of sort. So tap on sort, and there you'll be finding option of custom order and alphabetical order. So you need to select this option of alphabetical order, the second option right there. And after you do so, from the sorting options, your app drawer will now scroll vertically, allowing you to easily scroll up and find the applications rather than swiping left and right. That is how you do it. If you want to go back to the old flipping stars, you can just go over and look out for the three dot in the top right and select the option of sort, and again select the option of custom order, and you can sort it out like it previously was and switch back to the main horizontal on your Samsung phone. Usually you can just go and follow up this method that should be available when you open up your navigation bar. You can just go and follow up that process, and that is how you change the app drawer from horizontal to vertical on your Samsung phone. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.